If you are enjoying this update already, please take 1 second to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any important news. Now let's go straight to today's story. Today, all eyes were once again on the Madlanga Commission as General Shadrack Sibiya appeared before the commission to answer questions about events that have attracted national attention. From the very beginning, the atmosphere inside the hearing room was serious. Everyone could see that this was not going to be an ordinary session. Every question, every answer, and every reaction was closely watched because many people wanted to hear directly from one of the country's senior security officials. As General Sibiya took his seat, the commissioners began asking detailed questions about the events under investigation. The questions were direct and they covered different areas that many South Africans have been discussing for months. Instead of rushing through the hearing, the commission carefully examined each issue one after another. This showed that the commission wanted every important detail to be placed on record. If you are finding this report helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe because we will continue bringing you verified updates in simple English that everyone can understand. One thing that quickly became clear was that General Sibiya remained firm in many of his answers. He repeatedly denied allegations that suggested he had acted outside the law. He explained his own version of events and insisted that his actions were based on his responsibilities at the time. Throughout the hearing, he answered questions from the commissioners while also responding to concerns that had been raised by lawyers representing different parties. The hearing became even more interesting when some previous statements and documents were brought into the discussion. The commissioners wanted to understand whether there were differences between earlier evidence and what was being said during the hearing. This created several moments where General Sibiya had to carefully explain the circumstances surrounding decisions that were made during that period. Many people following the hearing noticed that the questioning became more detailed as time went on. Instead of accepting simple answers, the commissioners asked follow-up questions to make sure every important point was properly explained. This approach showed that the commission was determined to build a complete picture before reaching any conclusions. As the hearing continued, General Sibiya also expressed concern about the way some issues had been presented publicly. He indicated that certain claims about him did not accurately reflect what had happened. He maintained that he had carried out his duties according to the law and within the responsibilities assigned to him. This is one reason why today's hearing attracted so much public attention. Whenever senior officials appear before a public commission, people naturally want to hear directly from them instead of relying only on rumors or social media discussions. Public hearings give everyone the opportunity to listen to evidence as it is presented. If you appreciate balanced reporting like this, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this update with your friends. Your support helps us continue bringing you important stories. As more questions were asked, the commissioners focused on timelines. They wanted to know exactly when certain decisions were made, who was involved, and what information was available at different stages. These details may appear small, but they are often very important because they help establish the sequence of events. General Sibiya continued answering the questions one after another. At some moments, the exchanges became intense because the commissioners wanted very clear explanations. Even during these difficult moments, the hearing remained orderly as everyone followed the procedures set by the commission. Many observers believe that hearings like these play an important role in strengthening public confidence because they allow important issues to be examined openly. Whether people agree or disagree with the evidence being presented, the public can see the process taking place instead of relying only on speculation. Another interesting point from today's proceedings was how carefully every word was considered. Lawyers representing different interests also had opportunities to raise questions and clarify issues. This meant that different perspectives were placed before the commission for consideration. As the hearing progressed, it became clear that the commission was not interested in quick conclusions. Instead, the focus remained on gathering facts, testing evidence, and understanding different versions of events before making any findings. That is why many legal experts continue to remind the public that hearings like this are designed to establish facts through evidence. Final conclusions are reached only after all relevant witnesses have testified and all available information has been carefully reviewed. If you're still watching, thank you very much. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your opinion in the comments. We would love to hear what you think about today's developments. One lesson many viewers can take from today's proceedings is the importance of accountability. Public institutions become stronger when important questions can be asked openly and answered through proper legal processes. Regardless of someone's position or rank, public confidence often grows when investigations are conducted transparently. As the Commission continues its work, more witnesses are expected to appear and provide additional evidence. Each new testimony may answer some questions while also raising new ones. That is why many people continue following every hearing closely. For General Sibiya, today's appearance was another significant moment because it allowed him to present his own account directly before the Commission. Rather than speaking through rumors or headlines, he had the opportunity to explain his position in his own words while responding to questions from the commissioners. The coming hearings may provide even more information that helps connect different parts of the investigation. Until then, many South Africans will continue watching carefully to see what new evidence emerges and how the Commission evaluates everything presented before it. Remember that commissions of inquiry are established to investigate important public issues carefully. Their work often takes time because every witness, every document, and every piece of evidence must be examined before any final report is prepared. So for now, the story continues. Today's hearing has added another important chapter, but it has not yet brought the entire process to an end. More testimony, more questions, and more evidence are still expected as the Commission carries on with its work. If you have enjoyed this update, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next report. Thank you for watching.